In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset paper trading in TradingView. This can be an extremely useful feature if you want to start afresh and take full advantage of the simulated trading environment to test out new strategies. Let's take it step by step so you can get the most out of your TradingView experience. First, you'll want to head over to the TradingView website. Once you're there, log into your account or create one if you don't have an account already. It's a straightforward process that won't take much of your time. After successfully logging in, open up your chart. This should be the chart you'll want to experiment with using the features TradingView offers. Once your chart is open, you'll need to focus on finding the trading panel. The trading panel is a key feature of TradingView, allowing you access to various trading functionalities, including the paper trading service. So, locate the trading panel on your chart and click on it. When you're in the trading panel, look for the paper trading option. It's important because paper trading allows you to trade without using real money, perfect for testing strategies and learning without financial risk. Click on the paper trading option and then proceed by clicking Connect. This action is where your virtual account gets set. You now have access to a paper trading account that replicates real market conditions without the real-world consequences. Now, if you've been using the account for a while, or maybe you want a clean slate to try a different approach, you may want to reset your account. Resetting your paper trading account is a breeze, and here's how you can do it. First, look for the Settings button on your paper trading interface. It's usually represented by a gear icon, and clicking on this will bring up various options related to your account settings. In these options, you'll find the Reset option. When you click on Reset, you're given the chance to confirm your choice. Make sure this is what you want to do, as resetting will clear all previous trades and data. If you're ready to proceed, click Reset once again to finalize the process. And there you have it. You've successfully reset your paper trading account in TradingView, making it ready for you to jump back in with new ideas and strategies. Remember, practicing and experimenting in a risk-free environment is a fantastic way to build confidence and enhance your trading skills. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide has made the process straightforward and easy to understand. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Enjoy exploring TradingView and happy trading!